the camera, you're going to see the little button right here. It has a power on little picture on it. Just keep it pressed and you're going to see how the camera says welcome. That means it's on. To turn it off, same thing, just keep it pressed. It's going to say goodbye. That means the camera is off. Next one, if you want to take a picture, you just need to press the little camera right here. Keep it pressed, strong, confident press, okay? If you want to focus your pictures because they're not focusing really well, just lightly tap on it. Lightly tap on it until the picture focuses as you would like to. Once it's focused, just strong press and you just took a picture. Now, next feature, which I think it's really cool. Here on top, it has this little button, which is a little circle. If you click that, it's going to change into the rear view camera, okay? To the front camera, rear view camera, you're going to be able to change features like that. For the next one, we have the Wi-Fi feature. There is a button right here in which it says Wi-Fi. Once you click that, it's going to show this QR code right here in which you would have to scan with your phone camera, and it's going to direct you to an app that you will have to download right there. Once it's downloaded, just connect your phone to your camera Wi-Fi, which all the details are right here. And after that, you will be able to see, all the things that are focused with the camera. You'll see them on your phone. And not only that, but you will be able to transfer all of your pictures and videos directly from the camera to your phone. Next feature that we have is the menu right here, which is the OK button. It also says menu. Once you click on that, you can just go up and down with these little buttons, down, up, all right? Whenever you see a picture that you don't like, what do you have to do? Just delete the picture. In order to delete it, you are going to see a button right here, which you click and your pictures are going to be deleted. Those are all of the main features and how to use your camera. It's very simple and all of the instructions are very clear through icons and pictures.